Today, we're here in Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department, Fire Station 11, partnering with Fairfax County Police Department, Fairfax County Sheriff's Office, and numerous local businesses and nonprofits to give away a couple thousand coats to underprivileged kids here in Fairfax County. Prior to the elementary and middle schools picking up, we have preschools attending. And we have approximately 300 kids from different preschools here in Fairfax County that's picking up. Our volunteers greet them as they get off the bus. They walk them over to pick out a new coat. Then we also have an organization called Inspire Lit that's giving out new books, a couple of new books to each kid. And then we have the Caring Angels therapy dogs here. And these kids are getting brand new books, and then they're visiting and petting the dogs as they get on the bus. This wouldn't be possible without the local community, our police officers, our sheriffs, just so many businesses and companies that assisted us.
Well, there's a lot of nonprofits, a lot of people behind the scenes. It's an all hands working, as we say in the fire and rescue service when we have a big fire, so everybody contributes to make a big impact. And the kids with the smiles, absolutely fabulous.